WW2 Episode 4, The Fall of France and the Battle of Britain 1940. In the early months of 1940, World War II took a dramatic turn. After Germany's rapid invasion of Poland in 1939, the Western Allies, mainly France and the United Kingdom, prepared for conflict along the French-German border in what became known as the Phony War. Despite months of waiting, no major battles occurred during this period, creating a deceptive sense of calm in Europe. However, in May 1940, Germany launched its devastating blitzkrieg against Western Europe. Using fast-moving tanks, mechanized infantry, and overwhelming air support, German forces quickly bypassed the heavily fortified Maginot Line. Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands fell within days. French defenses crumbled as German troops advanced through the Ardennes forest, a region the Allies had considered impassable for large armies. By June, German forces had reached the outskirts of Paris, forcing the French government to surrender on June 22, 1940. France was divided, with the northern part under direct German occupation and the southern part controlled by the Vichy regime. While France fell, Britain faced the threat of invasion. Operation Sea Lion, Germany's planned invasion of Britain, loomed over the English Channel. The German Luftwaffe aimed to achieve air superiority by targeting British airfields, radar stations, and cities. What followed was the Battle of Britain, the first major campaign fought entirely by air forces. Despite being outnumbered, the Royal Air Force, aided by radar technology and fierce determination, successfully repelled the Luftwaffe. By October 1940, Germany abandoned plans for invasion, marking the first major defeat for Hitler's forces in the war. The fall of France and the resilience of Britain fundamentally reshaped the early phase of World War II. Hitler's rapid victories in continental Europe seemed unstoppable, yet the courage and strategy displayed by the British airmen proved that the Axis powers could be resisted. This period also set the stage for future Allied cooperation, including the eventual entry of the United States into the conflict.